Bam! What's up, guys? First of all, guys, I can show you this. This is a toy pistol. Okay, this is a black color and red color combination toy pistol. This pistol have a this razor light. This is a razor light. This razor is red color. See, guys, and I assemble it properly. So this is the proper toy proper toy pistol. Okay, guys, and how it's work. Turn and wow, what a sound, what a nice sound, guys. Another time, turn and okay, guys, this looks nice. Then, guys, I can show you this white color pot. This is a white color toy pot. Okay, guys, this is the proper white color. Yeah. Then, guys, I can show you this razor. This is a big razor. This razor is also red color. Okay, guys. Then, guys, I can show you this this toy bullet. Okay, guys, this is a properly yellow color combination toy bullet. See, guys, wow, nice. Then, guys, I can show you wow, this is a toy shotgun. What a big shotgun it is. See, guys, see, and I assemble it by this razor. Okay, guys, this is the proper toy shotgun, and how it's work. Turn and shoot, and another time turn and what a qualityful sound. Then, guys, I can show you this target. This is various color target. Okay, red, black, yellow, blue, white, various color toy target. This is a paper target. Okay, guys. Then, guys, I can show you this toy pistol. This is a small black color toy pistol. Okay, guys. Then, guys, I can show you this is. See, guys. Wow, this is nice. Cutting. Thanks for watching my video. See you in the next video. Take care and bye bye all the time.